I was alive in the 90s when Quercus came out. I do remember, and it was very much, it was very much the idea of, okay, Penhaligons, we're a heritage brand, but we can also do modern. And so this is very much in that ballpark of perfumes that are made of natural ingredients. So you have jasmine in here, and you have oak moss, and there's a musky element, and there's mandarin, but it's so melded together in this linear way. So it's not like you put it on, you go, oh, you smell like a walking fruit tree, or you're a giant flower hopping down the boulevard. It's more smooth, it's more blended, it's definitely unisex, and it has that clean aesthetic from the 90s, which everything was so pared down and minimal. So I think it's one of those throwback perfumes that is actually very applicable to now. Like, you think about all the choices that we have in our life, and how we choose to live, and how we choose to adorn ourselves, and what we choose to put in our bodies, and what comes out of our mouth. And if you wear Quercus, that just takes one less complicating factor off the table, because it's just kind of like a very minimal frame for complicated you.